Welcome to the pinnacle of the student living at Wellington Park BS8, an extraordinary student haven of luxury nestled in the vibrant heart of Bristol. Located in the lively neighborhood of Clifton, Wellington Park BS8 Student Accommodation offers a selection of fully furnished, ultra-modern 3-bedroom apartments for you to choose from. Open the door to your bedroom and you'll be greeted by a cozy bed, modern study area, large windows, and ample storage space. With free Wi-Fi and utility bills included in your rent, you will stay connected and worry-free. And when it's time to unleash your inner chef, a fully equipped open-plan gourmet kitchen is all set for you to whip up the best meals of your life. Talking about location, Wellington Park BS8 places you in close proximity to esteemed universities like University of Bristol and Trinity College, Bristol, effortlessly blending academic pursuits with the vibrant pulse of city life. Open your front door and find plethora of restaurants, cafes, and pubs, including the local favorite Wilson's Restaurant and Alterigo, all within a stone's throw of your residence. Your student journey has discovered its perfect stage at Wellington Park BS8. Don't wait. Visit amberstudent.com and secure your home today.